Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving deeper into the world of cooking and kitchens with part 9 of our vocabulary series. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out, there is always more to learn. In this video, we'll explore some essential terms that will elevate your culinary knowledge. So, grab a pen and get ready to expand your food vocabulary. Let's begin! Introduction. In this video, we'll learn more important words you need for cooking and baking, like tools and cooking methods. Drain, to remove excess liquid from food. Serve, to prevent food to be eaten. Skewer, a thin metal or wood stick used for grilling or broiling pieces of food. Sprinkle, to scatter small bits of something over the surface of food. Squeeze, to press something firmly, often to extract its juice or change its shape. Barbecue, to cook food over hot coals or gas flame. Chicken, to make a liquid denser. Skim, to remove impurities from the surface of a liquid. Broiler, a part of an oven that cooks food using intense direct heat from above. Draining board. A flat surface often made of plastic or metal where you put wet dishes to dry next to a kitchen sink. Silicone pastry brush. A small brush used in cooking and baking to spread liquids on food. Hand blender. A handheld kitchen tool with spinning blades at the end, used to blend food directly in a pot or bowl. Nutcracker, a tool used for cracking the shells of nuts. And finally, that wraps up another episode of our cooking and kitchen vocabulary series. I hope you learned some new words today that will help you in the kitchen. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Let me know in the comments below if there is a specific topic you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching and happy cooking!